Hello one and all, and welcome to another Scrub Daddy FAQs, and this one is really fantastic. We are here today to erase and eradicate the messes all around the house. But before we show you how to do that, we want to make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so that you get to know when those next FAQs drop immediately. So if you're tired of all those marks and scuff marks all around the house, we have the perfect product for you. It's the Eraser Daddy 10X. What makes it so special? Well, first of all, it's similar to a traditional eraser product, but here's the neat thing. It lasts 10 times longer. You see, a traditional eraser product, as soon as you use it, it starts to split apart and crumble. And you're not really going to use it more than once, maybe twice at the most. But what we've done with the Eraser Daddy 10X, we've taken the same FlexTexture material that's in the Scrub Daddy and we upcycled it to put in gems along with that eraser material. Also, the other side has Scrub Daddy material, that FlexTexture material, which you're going to use first, and then you're going to erase those scuff marks and marks away, and it's going to last 10 times longer because it's infused with those Scrub Daddy gems. So we're often asked, what type of cleaner do I use with the Scrub Daddy 10X eraser? Well, you don't need to use any cleaner. You just put it under warm water, it activates the eraser material and the Scrub Daddy materials so you can take away all those scuff marks and marks around the house. And just to note, the Eraser Daddy 10X is not top rack dishwasher safe. So you're probably asking, how long does Eraser Daddy 10X actually last? Well, the service life of the product actually varies depending on how hard you're using it and on what surfaces. If you want to maximize its lifespan, start by knocking off the dirt using the FlexTexture side, and then go to the Eraser Daddy side with the gems. So you're probably asking, what surfaces can I use Eraser Daddy on? Good question. So Eraser Daddy can be used on hard surfaces like walls, baseboards, switch plates, door frames, railings, and even shower doors with all that nasty soap scum. So just be aware that the Eraser Daddy 10X can scratch and sometimes mar your surfaces because of this special material. So we encourage you to do a little patch test. Check it out before you use it on any surface that you're concerned about. Thank you for joining us for this episode of Scrub Daddy FAQs. We really appreciate you watching and learning about all the Scrub Daddy products. Now it's your turn. In the comments section, let us know your favorite place to use your Scrub Daddy Eraser Daddy 10X. Also in the comments section, put down any questions that you have about the array of Scrub Daddy products and we'll be happy to answer them for you. Until next time, clean with a smile.